guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrus and Willow Skincare and Citrus and Willow Advanced Aesthetic Courses. I don't know if you guys saw a few videos back. I did a video on zymase mask with a firming peptide mask from Circadia. And today I'm gonna bump that treatment up with Circadias Lactic Acid 45% peel. I really love the exfoliation that you get from this peel, and we're still gonna use the firming peptide mask, which is such a versatile mask. First, I'm gonna start with the Vitamin Veil Cleanser, and I'm only gonna use this to remove any eye makeup that the client might have on, especially mascara, as that can be really hard to get off, and you don't wanna use a foaming cleanser necessarily on the eye area. So this is a gentle cleanser to remove any eye makeup or mascara from the client's eyes. Next, I'm gonna move into my first cleanse, which is gonna be the Lipid Replacing Cleansing Gel. I like to use this cleanser for my first and second cleanse. It's a nice foamy cleanser, and it really helps to remove any dirt and debris that might be built up on the skin. Next, I'm gonna prep the client's skin for the peel, get it prepared, and then I'm gonna go into my lactic acid 45% peel. This peel is great for all skin types, Fitzpatrick's 1 through 6, and it also is very great for increasing cell turnover. It's awesome for anti-aging and hydration. So this peel is really good for just increasing that anti-aging benefits and also to hydrate the skin. We're gonna hydrate the skin. It's a summertime peel. It's also gonna not cause you any downtime. You don't need any pre and post treatment for this. I'm gonna brush this peel on, and I'm gonna leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes based on the client's skin type and how well they will be able to tolerate the peel. And then I'm gonna move right into my PK neutralizing peel, and this is going to neutralize the peel. You're gonna remove this peel with 4x4s that are damp, and then you're gonna spray this PK neutralizing spray on, just a couple of spritzes just to neutralize the peel afterward. Once the peel is neutralized, I'm gonna move into my firming peptide mask. It's a 2-part system that includes the activator and the powder. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. It's full of peptides and antioxidants, so it's really great for aging skin. And now that we've removed all the excess oil and the excess dirt from the skin, we now are going to really target that aging skin condition with this firming peptide mask. Once the mask is set, it's full time, we're then gonna go back in with the Lipid Replacing Cleansing Gel, and we're gonna break up that mask, and we're gonna remove the mask from the client's skin. Once the mask is completely removed, we then are gonna go into our finishing products. And on my client, I'm gonna use the Emergency Eye Lift from Circadia. I'm gonna use the Vitamin C Reversal Serum, Lightener Brightener, always super good as an antioxidant, deflects UV rays. Vitamin C is a must for all aging clients. Then I'll seal in everything with the Hydroxy, and I like to send my clients home with a little tint. I'll use the Epionce SPF Daily Tinted. This is a great treatment to use in the warmer months of the year, so let's get started.
I know
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that treatment. If you like this video, press that like button and subscribe, and in the comments below, let me know what you want to see next. Bye!